Beauties, what's up? I'm Namita and welcome to Pink Phoenix Face Art Studio. I removed my facial hair with this razor. It's quite affordable, plus it's not painful, and I bought it from Amazon or Nykaa. Actually, I don't remember, but I will definitely link this product in the description box. So go and check it, guys, and let's see how I did it. So for that, you have to watch this video till the end. So first I'm using aloe vera gel, and the best part is that it has vitamin E extracts also, and I'm putting it all over my face before using razor. Then I'm using Tinkle razor, and the link is in the description box. And then I'm just stretching the areas and I'm just removing the hair. You can see, guys, I'm using a tissue paper to see, guys, how much hair I have. You can see it. And just make sure, guys, don't use razor on that area again and again, because it will definitely put rashes and everything. That's why. Then again I'm doing it on another area. You can see, guys, I'm doing it very properly, and the most important, I'm not doing again on that area, just once, because it will definitely give you rashes and it will harm your face and everything. That's why. Then I'm doing on my nose area, and the best part, it is for exfoliation also. It removes dirt and everything, whatever dead cells we have on nose areas and all over my face. Through this, it removes facial hair also, plus it's the best thing for exfoliation. But you don't have to do on and off like in every 2 days. Just like this, I'm removing it from forehead. Then on the another side too. Then I'm using wet cloth to remove all the excess hair which is just left on my face. Then I'm using face mask, and it's turmeric and neem, and I'm putting it all over my face. It is very best for skin, and it will just glow my skin, give me a radiant look and everything. Then I'm putting it for 10 minutes, and then I'm just washing my face. And then I'm using Nivea moisturizer, because the winter is coming and my skin is started becoming dry. So I'm using Nivea moisturizer, guys, and it's done. I hope you all guys enjoyed this video, so please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And my Facebook page is Namita Gurnani, and my Instagram account is MUA Namita. So more videos are coming up, so stay tuned.